Hello and what's up, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful time. Karibuni sana to the Black Waterfall Network. And of course, this is the YouTube channel where we get to give you experiences, the outdoor shows, as we get to show you different parts of Nairobi. And of course, the lady behind the voice and the camera, it's your girl Joby. And of course, for those who are meeting us for the first time, karibuni sana. We got Shumani also, and also Katie on this particular video. And of course, as you can see, we're taking you along with us on this long journey. It was long for real. It was our first time. Personally, I think my first time going to Limuru, and we were going to Tigoni Waterfalls, a place that we've never been before. We just picked the random place and we were like, why not? Why not go have an amazing experience? And I'm so happy because it was really amazing. It's something that was on my bucket list, and I'm glad to at least have seen it, before I die. Before I go, but anyway, I'm glad to have experienced that. So we're taking you along with us, and of course, as you can see, we're passing through different markets, we're passing through different roads. So enjoy the video, like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy the ride with us. Yeah, and as we move along, you're gonna be seeing some of the developed places. I tell you, Nairobi is developed. Africa in general is developing. We don't have literally the best that we wish to have, but Africa is developed. You're gonna be seeing amazing buildings, amazing business centers. As we take you along with us. I loved the journey as much as we were using a matatu. It was really fun. I won't lie, and yeah, it was quite amazing. And the good thing, if you really want to know places in most of the African countries, you'd rather use public means of transport, because with these Uber things and bolts, you're never gonna know anything in the city, because you're just always being taken to the exact point where you want to be taken. So for me, I think using matatus sometimes, it's quite like I don't really require it. Of course, you want confidence, not really confidence, but you want to feel comfortable as you go in some places. You don't want disturbance and all that. But at times, it's required to use matatus, especially like, for me. I think it's easy for me to move around. Look at that! Look at that! Look at these buildings. They have amazing houses here and business centers. But like I'm saying, for me, I think as a first time, if I'm going somewhere for the first time, I think I'd rather use public means of transport, because the next time I'm going to be able to know the centers where to stop and where not to, and things literally to avoid. Because with Uber, once again, you'll never be able to learn anything. But anyway, enjoy the ride with us. You are about to say places, like we keep on saying, most of the markets also are not really well maintained. And I think this is one of the things that are also promoting diseases in Africa, because most of the places where we buy food, they're literally selling food in some really unsanitized area. Like you can see that, you're just crossing the roads, there's dirt everywhere, trash everywhere, people are, going on with their businesses there, and it is still so okay, which is so so crazy. And I think these are some of the things that I've also promoted to Color. As much as when you buy food, you're gonna wash it thoroughly, still, you know, I don't know. Africa is just crazy. It's super, super crazy. But it's also a lovely, lovely continent. I don't want to push negativity in my continent because it's really, really amazing. With the people, experiences, I tell you, you love it day by day. And we are the ones to make it develop. Amaniaji. So one thing I know about this particular route is also most of the routes that people tend to use when they are going to the western sides of Kenya, because this is Limuru Road, and remember we're going to Limuru. We're not in Nairobi. We're going outside Nairobi. This is another county we're headed to, and this is most of the routes that is used by people who are going to like Kisii, Kisumu, Kakamega. If you know the western parts of Kenya, I know this is the route that majority of us tend to use when we're going there. Still taking you along with us. Kindly enjoy. We're gonna be there soon. One thing that I also admire a lot about my country or the most of the African countries, I love the business competition. And I think as we move along, you're gonna see many types of similar businesses, nearly in similar places. But for me, I admire competition in the industry. I don't like going to a place which is dormant. I don't see no business opportunities. I love seeing people competing, trying to get that money. So what I'd say about majority of this place, it's surrounded by nature, as you can see. It's barely anything compared to Nairobi, you know. It's surrounded by nature. People are doing a lot of agriculture, you know. It's really, really amazing. And for me, like I said, I enjoy seeing the competition in most of the things. You can see that it's nothing but just nature. And it's also cold. Yeah, it's cold. Limuru happens to be one of the places that is really cold because the instant you got there, the weather just changed. So we are almost there. As you can see, we are getting into the roots of that particular Waterfalls. This is the entrance, I'd say, maybe quite further than the entrance. But what we were told specifically about this area is majority of the lands are not owned by some Kenyans. It's owned by some more people, like, basically where we were. And there's the camera girl and the voice behind it, or the voice behind. So yeah, it was really an amazing journey. So let us take you through as we get into straight away to the waterfalls. So here we are, here we go, we're getting closer to the entrance. And if you can remember, if you are live with us, or if you did catch up with us when we were streaming this live, though we were having hit to the connectivity, we faced some issues at the entrance because the way the rates we checked on the website was totally different with what this lady had indicated on the gate, on the entrance. It was totally different. So it took us a lot of time to try convince her if we can get in, because we're coming from a farm. And she spoke her shit at some point. She said our own things, trying to act all tough, but apparently they ended up letting us in. So you can see we've been given the directions here, and we did finally make it inside. There's money, and we got Katie also on the board, and I hope you can see them. Yeah, or hear their voices.
Si kuapia kwa video ni lazima. Mnakosaje kuapia kwa video? Shona alikuwa shabonda kwa like wewe.
Hadi mimi nilikuwa nimesikia.
Sitaki picha hadi. Sitaki hata picha huko.
Unaweza imagine tumekuja hivi wote mtu waste pesa.
Unaona ile benchi inaonekana kule mwisho?
Yes.
Enda tu hivyo kama 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
Yes. Night. Bye. Nimebuy tu data a few minutes. Sijui buy tu. But sidhani kama ni data. Cha tungoje tu ndo tuwaonyeshe huko tukiteremka. Angeacha do. Angeacha do.
Okay, so like I said, this land is majority owned by an Indian Chinese woman. I think it's Indian
Nataka kusema
Chinese woman.
hii shamba yote ni yake.
And what we're told is that she was married there, and her husband happened to pass away, and she was left to access the land. But it's quite a huge land, so for me, the suspicions were either the land was stolen or grabbed, or maybe some sort of corruption that is just going on there. So, you know.
Huh?
We're just walking in the park.
Uh-huh. I know. Nimekubali.
Alikuwa hadi imeandika 0.
God.
So finally we are at the waterfalls, so you can see, and I was so excited personally to see this. So like I said at the beginning of the video, this is part of my bucket list actually this particular year, and courtesy of Black God
Where is it?
did it for us, and I get to experience this. It was such an amazing experience.
Where is it?
Like this Indian lady running out of cash from this place. Can you imagine just making people to pay $10 to come and see this, you know? He's really gaining a lot. But again, the level of corruption and how, we literally don't have anything other than we are in nature, we're being made to pay to come and experience it. It's just super crazy. But yeah, we finally made it, special journey. The special journey even with the recording because we're still getting lost, asking for directions. You can see a rainbow. I don't know if you can see a rainbow over there, but there's a rainbow located by side zooming in. It's just an amazing experience for me, and I'd want to go back over and over again if I have my own person. Maybe experience other types of different waterfalls. But for now, we're gonna let it up here. That has been the video, and I hope you like, share, subscribe. And in case you can't visit Kenya, you can also go visit this kind of a place. I'm not advertising it because I'm not getting paid for it, for advertising this place, but I would advise you to come and visit the place if you happen to be in Kenya. It's quite a nice place. It has hiking, picnic locations. You can come to sit somewhere with your friends, hiking lunch. It's just an amazing time. It's quite amazing. But this actually crazy. It's crazy. But much love. Bring much love to God. See you on the next video.
God. Bye to Tigoni Falls. Say bye bye to Tigoni Falls. Say bye bye to Tigoni Falls. To Tigoni Falls.
Hi guys, thank you for tuning in and for being with us for this video. We had an amazing time in the waterfall.
And we saw a lot of plantations. I hope you guys will enjoy. Hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so that every time we'll be posting, you'll be receiving some of our new videos. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.
Thank you, people. I'm always that foodie friend. I'm always that foodie girlfriend. But anyway, thank you for being with us on Tigoni Falls. Hope to see you next time and hope to enjoy another beautiful activity with you all. Bye.